Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, it's a beautiful day in Victory Park and we're in the 23 Dallas territory. So the 23 Dallas is one of our favorite places. We have sent a lot of clients here and they love it. They've got so much to offer. This is a beautiful high-rise and you can see it is 23 floors to love. Look at this, it's gorgeous. So anyway, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna shoot video once again. I'm excited because I have this new camera that gets very vivid in the colors and much more detail. So we're gonna be taking a look at least a penthouse and probably one or two other floor plans here in this beautiful 23 luxury high-rise. More about the area. This is on the edge of Victory Park. That's very important to know. Let me tell you what I mean by that. So Victory Park is defined really by the American Airlines Center, which is it's right, you can see a little bit of the edge of it, but it's several blocks away. So what I like about this is, and by the way, the American Airlines Center has a lot of games. Obviously, it's got the Mavericks and the Stars and concerts. So it could get very, very busy over there at the American Airlines Center. So what I like about this is this puts you in Victory Park, but you're away from a lot of the traffic. You're in a much little quieter, more private area, but you're still super close to where you could go scooter or even walk to the games over there. Yes, and I did say scooter. I've got a scooter. I love using it. I love my white BMW also, but I love my scooter. So this is just a little bit why you might want to think about being at the 23. Another thing is there are some wonderful restaurants just right on the other side of this building. So outside the back door, you'd have a great walking experience. So anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to go take some more videos with our beautiful camera with capturing the high quality on this beautiful day. And let's go do that. At any time, if you have any questions, send me a text on the number below. I'd love to help answer any questions you have, get your information about this place. And I'm super quick when I respond on my text. You can reach out to me anytime, 7 days a week. So reach out, and now let's go take a look at the 23.